Any stocking can look so much cuter with just a custom stocking tag. So in today's video, I'm actually going to walk you through how to make these. They are very popular sellers if you are a small business. So let's get started. If at any point of this video anything is helpful or enjoyable, give this video a thumbs up. It will mean so much to me. And if you guys want to see how to make this stocking tag, please post a comment below and I will make a separate video tutorial just for you guys. So the very first thing that I did was post some sale posts on my Instagram and Facebook and different online platforms. Once I started getting orders trickling in, I went ahead and switched to Canva or to PayPal, and I created some invoices specific to the person's needs. And then I jotted everything down because I'm a little old-fashioned, so I wrote down all of my orders on paper, kind of if they paid, if they haven't. And then I went down to my laser machine room and I began to work. So I pulled up my Glowforge and went ahead and transferred all of the designs that I had previously made, depending on what I was needing. So I switched over to the Glowforge, created all the designs onto my Glowforge platform, and then I sent it over to my actual 3D laser printer. In the meantime, I do have my boards that I put in. I did cover with masking tape, and I will list that in the description below. Here is the masking tape that I'm using. I buy this on Amazon. It lasts forever, so I love it. I will go ahead and mask everything and then let the machine do its job. The reason that I use my masking tape is because if I don't, basically it looks very charred like this. But when I apply the masking tape, I can just peel it off and have a really clean finished look. And if I still need to sand, it's very minimal on just the edges or just the back, but overall it looks really clean. I find it easiest just to copy and paste previous circles that I've already made. Of course, as much as that will fit onto my draft board that I'm working with. So once I do this, I have already previously saved all of my work from Silhouette. So I'm gonna upload what I need and enter all the names as you guys see here. And then I'll just make sure that I have everything out here depending on the family that I'm working with. I make sure I remove all the masks of each one individually, and then I will sand it down as needed. So that one turned out pretty good. I will need to sand that little edge and then of course the back. So I just make sure to keep all of my work together to keep it easy to go. And yes, I'm in my Christmas pajamas because it's been one of those days. So once I have everything in my Glowforge, I go ahead and click print. It says it's preparing, and it should take right about 54 minutes, about 5 minutes a tag. I also went ahead and put additional cuts for them to be able to hang the ribbon through for the stocking tag or ornament. And don't forget, make sure they double, triple check their spelling. You don't want to be stuck with having additional tags and wasted material. So I always send them a rough draft to make sure that their spelling looks good. Once the ribbon is attached, I go ahead and just lay it out on some sort of backdrop and I stage it, and then I text a photo to my clients to make sure that they are happy with it. And then I'll go ahead and package it up as so with their names, maybe some sort of thank you, my business card, and I'll package it up nicely, ready to go to be picked up. So I've had several that were needing to be shipped. So I have my shipment boxes, others that are just picking up, others that are more bulk orders. So really it just depends whatever your clients are doing, what you want to do with them. But that is about 35 right here, ready to go. Now that I have everything packaged and ready to go, I'm gonna go ahead and ship it out or have people come and pick it up. Now, if you've noticed, I think one very, very important tip is that you work smarter, not harder. So while your laser machine is working, that you go ahead and cut out all the jute twine that you need, or take off all the masking, or do all the sanding. So that way you can just save a lot of time while you're waiting anyways. But I hope this video was helpful. If you wanna see another video of really easy sellers for the Christmas holiday, check out the sublimation video on how to make the Scandinavian pillow. It is so cute with Scandinavian trees, Christmas trees. I love it so much. But thank you all so much for watching, and I will see y'all next time. Bye.